Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming hotspot permissions and signal. That's why you set the phone close to the TV. Once done, enable the hotspot and create an SSID and secure password so the TV can find it. Make sure to prefer 4 GHz when available because many smart TVs have better compatibility there. Now power on the TV and open its network or Wi-Fi settings. You're ready to scan for the SSID you just created so the pairing can start. Select the SSID you created on the TV and enter the password exactly. Small typos are the most common failure. Once authenticated, leave the TV set to DHCP so it receives an IP automatically. Use manual IP only if your home network requires static addressing. Make sure the TV reports a valid IP and an internet status. That verifies routing through your phone. If an app asks for streaming permissions, accept them. After these checks, test by launching a video app to confirm traffic flows over the hotspot. To finish, optimize performance. Close background apps on the phone and plug it in to avoid battery drain. If the TV cannot reach the internet, toggle the hotspot off and on, then forget the network on the TV and reconnect. That often clears IP or authentication errors. Also, try switching bands. Use 5 GHz for faster throughput when both devices support it but prefer 4 GHz for range. If issues persist, check carrier limits or restart both devices to reset network stacks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.